Alright, I'm going to go over how to adjust the color schemes for the Wildfire theme, and it's really easy and done from the front end. So right now I'm actually previewing the live preview data. So it's just some sample data. So to edit it is actually done from the front end. So when you're viewing your website, you just go up to the top left and go under, just highlight your website name and go to customize. When you click customize, you get this menu. And one thing to note is if you're in the dashboard, you will not get this menu. So make sure you're actually visiting the site, and then you can go up to the top and click customize. So once you're in there, it's really easy. We went ahead and made two basic sections. We have background colors and then font colors. And for background colors, if you click on it, we kind of did it top to bottom, basically was the general idea. So we've got header color up here, and then we've got page title, then body background, and then content background, and then footer widget, and then footer base. And then we have our button colors, which are things like the send message and then the hover color. So all you need to do is click on the color, and you can start adjusting. You give it a second and it updates right in front of your eyes, and you can either save and publish, or you can click cancel and it'll revert back to what it was before. So things like the body background, for instance, you can adjust. Say we want to make it a little darker. I'll just go ahead and make it a bright red so you can see that you can adjust these things very easily. Same thing with this content background right there. Let's go and just make it a light blue real quick just to make it really obvious. And then so yeah, here's a list of all those background colors, and then let's go ahead and move on to font colors. Font colors is a similar way. So we've got our default body font color, and if I go and adjust that to another, I'm just picking bright colors so you can see. If I adjust that right there, and then you have your navigation font color up here, which is just white, but you can adjust it to something else like a darker gray, depending on if you change the header color to something lighter. And then you have your page title font color, which we can see on another page right here. Let's see, page title font color. So if we wanted it to be really bright, you can see that again. And you get the gist. We kind of labeled all of these for you. It should be very easy to navigate all of these colors, and you can save and publish or click cancel and revert back to the original that you had right there. So that's a theme customizer. You can just basically customize to your liking.